morning everybody, and welcome to another what I eat today video, and a very drizzly, dark, rainy October day. It's 1st of October today, which is very exciting, and the umbrella is up because it is drizzly, but it makes me all kinds of happy because I love this cozy weather. I'm on my way to the office today and I've not prepped any lunch and I don't know what I'm having for dinner tonight, so this is as much a surprise to me as it is to you. I'll probably nip and get something for lunch today. Didn't bring any breakfast, so it's going to be interesting. So let's see what I get up to on the food front. Let's go. The office, and I stopped via the supermarket on the way home because I realised that we hadn't really thought about what we're having for dinner tonight. As I mentioned this morning on my way to work, we hadn't really made a plan. All I know is Andrew took chicken out, but we don't have a ton of time. It's already 5:30. Normally I've eaten by 5 o'clock, so this for me is very late. I thought I'd quickly do a very quick grocery haul. I have some fries here, then I have some poppadoms. I got 2 packs of these, of course. Then I went a bit crazy with the Halloween collection. I got some pickled worm crisps. I also got some Sinister sour sweet bags. I got 2 packs of these for trick-or-treaters and for our kids as well. I got some of the Hello Screams, which look really delicious, just to have in a little bowl on the table. This is the second bag of sweets that I got. These are the skeleton jellies. This is something that I've been looking for quite a lot, and I've not come across it before, and I'm excited to finally have it, and I'm going to try it this weekend. And it is the Kiev dip, which I've heard tastes delicious with some focaccia bread, so I'm very much looking forward to that. I also picked up a little Hocus Crocus chocolate frog, which is very sweet. I have a pizza here for quick dinners during the week. I got some crumpets. I got some topside beef for my sandwiches tomorrow. I got one of Harrison's favourite pastas. I also got, so we're planning on having a red Thai curry tonight, so I got some reduced fat coconut milk. Sometimes I'll use full fat. This time I got the reduced fat because it was there, you know, and I thought we may as well have the reduced fat. We also picked up 2 of the loaded cookies. We have the chocolate hazelnut and the raspberry cheesecake. I got some plums. I got some grapes. I got these when I was at work earlier, as you saw. And I also got the poppadoms when I was at work, so this is my second trip, and it was the one local to me. So that was the second batch of poppadoms. I got some deli coleslaw. I thought I would try these for lunches. It's the 4 oatmeal seeded rolls. They look really good. To go with dinner tonight, we also got some jasmine coconut rice. I have my red Thai curry paste that I'm going to be using to make the sauce. This is something I'm excited about and I've not seen this before. It's the peanut butter and jelly, which I'm very much looking forward to having. I think that will be delicious. I love peanut butter and jelly. I also got some pumpkin biscuits, some jellies, some fudge Snoopy bites. I'm just thinking I've gone way overboard on the Halloween chocolate. And then the last thing I got is this gooey ghost, which is a salted caramel little ghosty. So yeah, I'm gonna get everything put away and then get everything that I need tonight put aside, and then we will start making dinner. Okay, so this is going to be a really quick sauce. As I mentioned before, I have the coconut reduced fat milk. I have the red Thai curry paste, which is going to make my life a lot easier. It means I don't have to make up my own paste, which I often do, and I have done a recipe for a red Thai curry with my own homemade paste, so do check that out. But I have an onion here, a chilli, 2 garlic cloves, a red pepper, tomatoes. Now normally I don't put tomatoes in, but these need eating, so I am going to pop them in. I have some chicken stock and also some parsley as well. And we did pick up that rice, as I mentioned before, for ease. This is the coconut jasmine, which I think is going to complement the curry really nicely. So this is going to be incredibly slapdash. Everything is just going to get fried up with the chicken. We're using skinless chicken breast, which is over there. And I'm just going to get started. And as we're in October, my Emma Bridgewater Incantations Witches Cauldron is back out. Guys, it was nothing to write home about. It's just a really simple curry, but there was a lot of flavour and I really enjoyed it. I didn't have the biggest portion just because I had quite a big lunch, but Andrew's just made his cup of tea and my Halloween mugs are well and truly out. I actually have bought a couple of new additions, which I will show you. I'm vlogging this weekend. I haven't used them yet. I've got a new one from Emma Bridgewater and I have one from Le Creuset, and I'm really excited about them, so I'll show you those this weekend. But in the meantime, I'm using my extra strength magic potion, and we're going to share an M&S cookie, which is the same cookie that I had in the last What I Eat in a Day, and that is the hazelnut chocolate fully loaded cookie that I'm pretty much obsessed with, as you can see. And that'll be everything for the evening. I won't have any more to eat. Likely just to have water or maybe a Coke or something later. Andy's looking at me. I feel he's looking at me because he's like, you don't drink water. Who are you kidding? And he's not wrong. But anyway, I'm going to go. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.